Hello, hello, hello. My first time ever to jump on the Warren County Public Library Facebook page to hang out with you all. Good morning. Welcome to my driveway. Pretty trees blooming in the background. We are getting ready for kids camp. My name is Allison, and I want to tell you a little bit about me, tell you a little bit about what we're going to do today. Get you moving, put a smile on your face, give you some ideas, I hope, that are going to carry over into the days and weeks ahead. So again, my name is Allison. I own Bowling Green Backyard Bootcamp. A little bit of backstory and background for me. Lived in Bowling Green for many, many years after coming to Western Kentucky University. Go Tops. And first, I was going to college and fell in love with group fitness. They suggested, when I basically moved into the fitness center on campus, they said, hey, you're here all the time, why don't you get your certification? So I became a fitness coach while I was in college learning to become an elementary school teacher. So I have that teacher background with teaching children, as well as being a fitness coach now for, 22 years. So the Warren County Public Library asked that during this quarantine time, would I come on and share some workouts with you all right here from my home to yours. And of course, I said, absolutely, I would love to. Here's the thing, parents, I hope you're watching, anybody, whoever's watching, I hope today's workout and the ones that we do in the future will inspire you to just get moving some way, somehow. The more fun, the better. I don't believe that workouts have to be something that we dread, something that we don't enjoy. I want to show you how to just get moving in fun ways. Today is focusing on animals, and we're just going to do a super short workout, and what we could really call it is a work in, because we are working this in to our schedule. We are working in our homes, and so rather than thinking it has to be a workout that you got to go somewhere, I'm going to show you some basic exercises today. Use your imagination. I would love for you to comment in the comments other animals, maybe at the end of the workout, that you could think of that we could imitate to move our bodies. My whole what gets me most excited is just to see people moving their bodies, because we need to be able to move for life. Let's teach our kids this at a young age. Let's model this for them. Let's play with them. Grandparents, get down on the floor and play with your kids. I want to be a grandma that can get down on the floor, get up from the floor, and play and move and go. And so I try to move or add movement into my days as well as my family's days. So that's what I'm hoping to inspire you to do. There's a little bit of a story about me. Wanted to give you that background because I'm going to be with you for, I think for the month of April at least. So I hope you're going to tune in every Tuesday for this kids camp workout. All right, here's what I've got for you today. We're going to get warmed up acting like a dinosaur, an elephant, and a bird, and then we're going to do one of my favorite kinds of formats that I do with my group fitness classes all the time. Adults, kids, we all seem to really love this format. It's called Tabata. It's a 20-second amount of work time and 10 seconds of rest. 8 rounds. So that's all we've got to do. We're gonna mimic 8 different animals, 20 seconds each, and then we're gonna do a little cool down, like a cat, like a dog, and then that's it. So it's going to be this little chunk of movement in your day, and just remembering that every little bit of movement matters. It all counts. So let's get ready to have some fun this morning. You can be inside, you can be out in the grass, you can be in your driveway, you can be wherever. You don't need a lot of space. I have a mat. I do want to remind you that this is your workout. I don't know who's on the other side of that screen. So if you are just starting, this is brand new to you and you aren't used to really moving your body, I want you to take it at your own pace. And I'm going to be giving you modifications along the way. And I'll tell you that maybe if this is too much to do it this way, you can scale back, and I'll show you how to modify that. That's the way that Bowling Green Backyard Bootcamp works. I always love to say that we can accommodate most all levels. All right, who's ready? I've got one person saying they're so excited, and Jennifer, I'm so excited too. So glad you came on to join us today. So again, I'm Coach Allison. We've got awesome animals today. I'm going to crank up the tunes. And the first thing we're going to do for our warm-up, hopefully you can hear that. All right, we ready to get to it? We're just gonna stomp like a dinosaur. So all I want you to do, you may have just woken up. We gotta get your body warmed up, primed and ready. So just big knees, stomp your feet. We're doing the dinosaur. Take your feet closer together. We're gonna just march it out. Now go back. Big, big stomps, big knees. Who we got here? Love this, Courtney. I love that you're joining us today. So notice, I'm doing arms. I don't know. Some dinosaurs have short arms, right? Let's have fun with this. Put a smile on your face. We're gonna change it now to a dinosaur, from a dinosaur to an elephant. Get your trunk. We're gonna stomp wide and take your trunk side to side. It doesn't matter if you're 8 or if you're 88. This is all movement that's gonna help you stay strong and active all of your days. We're gonna do 8 more elephants. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. How about a bird? Let's flap your arms. We're gonna get your shoulders warmed up. Across the back, warmed up. All right, you all, you're gonna have to talk to me in the comments. If you can't hear the music, or if you can't hear me, or if you wanna say, woohoo, this is awesome, use those comments. Here's 8, 7, we're gonna take it from the top. 4, 3, back to that dinosaur. Big stomp, stomp. Now, I can't hear my feet stomping, so if you still got people sleeping at your house, you can do this ever so quiet dinosaur. Big stomp, big stomp. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ready for that elephant? Go. Get that trunk. Now I'm lifting a leg, so I'm getting the hips warmed up. I'm getting my core warmed up as I'm swinging my arms. I hope your kids are involved. I hope if you don't have kids at home, you're doing this with me. 4, 3, and now a bird. Can you hold a little squat as you flap your arms? Pushing your buttons back. I love how the library, let's swing your arms like an octopus now. Maybe we could go here like an octopus. I love how the library is offering workouts and story time, and all the great things they're doing, because we need it more than ever. Okay, I want you to be like an alligator now. Chomp your hands together. Yes, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, take it up and down. Chomp, chomp, chomp. All right, so your body should be feeling warm. This animal theme is gonna be a great one. Switch sides. I love the animals, Jennifer. And let's be done. So here's the thing. We all know, we love, everybody, I don't know anybody that doesn't love to have fun. So if you inject fun in something that's not maybe you say, I don't like to exercise. Well, make it fun. Have a dance party. Make a theme with animals. It doesn't matter. Let's just have fun and get moving all at the same time. Okay, so let me show you what I'm using. You don't have to have this, but this is called, actually, let me see. What is this one? This is Gym Boss. I also have Tabata Pro. This just shows me 20 seconds. It's an app. It's gonna count down for me. And if your kids are really visual, watch this. The color is going to come down and help them with that visual. So, we all like a good visual, right? Okay, I'm ready. So what's gonna happen is, oh, this is fantastic, Holly. You're doing it and your 1-year-old is watching you. Maybe they'll mimic you, because when kids are modeled movement, clean eating, all of those things they learn, they pick it up and it's a normal part of their life. So good for you, mama. Okay, so 20 seconds of one animal and then a 10-second break. Then we'll do 20 seconds of the next animal. You're gonna have to really have your listening ears on and really be paying attention, because I'm gonna go from one animal to the next. Listen, if this is too fast for you, you just back up, take it at your own pace. If I go a little slower than you wanna go, then amp it up, take it up a notch. We got 20 seconds of a frog. So listen, here's my frog. I'm gonna move my mat back a little bit. You're gonna simply hop like a frog right here. Ribbit, ribbit. Maybe you don't need to jump, then you're just gonna squat. Just make sure your weight's back in your heels as you do that squat. Are we in? I think we're ready. I'm gonna push go. 20 seconds, acting like a frog. Boing. You can hop all around your space. Forward, back, to the side, to the other side. 4 times forward maybe. Turn around, and then 4 times back. You can do it any way you like. Okay, we got 3, 2. First animal is done. I bet you can't hear my music. Next, we're gonna go to an inchworm. Watch this. You're gonna come to your mat. With straight knees, you're gonna walk out to a plank. You're gonna walk back up. Here we go. Out, out, out. In. Let's just say that maybe you keep going with that. Keep walking out that inchworm. Maybe you're like Allison. I haven't ever done anything like this before. Then all I want you to do is stand up. Walk your hands out, pretend. 10-second break. A rabbit. Get your rabbit paws ready. I want you to hop all around your space. Are you ready? Come on, bunnies. Hop it out. Forward, forward, forward. You could go side to side. You could just step it. You could do big bunny hops. Add direction. Add speed. Add intensity. Add those paws. You don't want to forget those paws. All right, next up we have a crab. You're gonna go down to your mat. Push up in that crab position. And you're gonna walk it out. Watch me here. Walk it out like a crab. Kids are really good at this. You can go forward and back. Keep going with that crab. You got 10 more seconds. What if you're saying, no, Allison, that's just a little too much for me. Then I want you to stand and I want you to chomp like a crab right here standing. Great job, y'all. I know you're doing this, right? You're not just sitting there letting me entertain you. Next, we're gonna go to a duck. Grab onto your legs. Quack, quack, quack. Walk it out. Put a smile on your face because you're up moving your body. Abs in, chest and shoulders up. What we got here? Special thanks. Oh yes, Warren County Library. Thanks for having me. Walk it out like a duck. Y'all, we're halfway there. Maybe halfway, more than halfway. We're gonna act like a tiger. Are you ready? Tiger it out, hands and knees. You're gonna take your right hand and your left foot, and then your left hand and your right foot. So you're alternating a crawl. Again, if you need a modification, be down on your hands and knees and just lift an arm. But if you can be up on your toes, alternating that crawl, right hand, left foot. My goodness, these 20-second rounds are going by fast. Next, we have a bear. Hands down, buns up, walk it out. My kids love to race bear crawl style. We'll go down the hallway and have races. How quick can you go? How many directions can you move in? Can you take it backwards? Can you move up and give somebody a high five and then take it back? Move. Do you feel what you're working there? 3, 2, 1. Rest. You're working your shoulders, you're working your core. Hey, I have one more exercise for you. It's called a gorilla. Watch this. Hands, hands, feet. Hands, hands, feet. Go! Hands, hands, feet. If you need to stand up, you can just kind of hop like a monkey, side to side. But if you can come on down to the ground, get down there like that gorilla crawl, or simply hop. Guess what? You did it. My heart rate is up. Such simple exercises. We did a frog, inchworm, a bunny, crab, duck, tiger, bear, and gorilla. 8 exercises, 20 seconds each. We started with that dinosaur warm-up, with the elephant, with the bird. Now I've got a stretch for you. Let me tell you how you could do this. You went through it one time, 20 seconds each. You could repeat that. Or then you could say, hey, let's now go and run a lap around the yard. Then come back and do it again. There are so many options to how you can get moving as a family. Right now, it's a beautiful day. I don't know if rain's moving in today or not, but there's no excuse to not get out and do some kind of movement. Kids love for their parents to play with them, so I just hope that this inspires you today to come up with a silly theme. Our next theme, sports. Me and you, next Tuesday, 8 o'clock, sports theme, no equipment needed. I might wear a whistle. Watch out. Okay, so we're gonna get stretched out now. Super, super simple. Take it on down to your mat. I'm gonna fold that down just like so. I'm gonna turn the music down so that maybe you can just hear the birds chirping. All right, you all, to stretch out today, we're gonna do 2 stretches. Actually, excuse me, make that 3. We're gonna do cat and cow. So you're gonna be down on your hands and knees, and you're gonna arch your back up like a cat, dropping your chin and tailbone towards the ground. And now you're gonna reverse that. Take your chin and tailbone towards the sky and let your back sink down. Now one more time, arch it up. And reverse it. So we're cat, now cow. Now we're gonna go to a down dog, which you probably know. Tuck your toes under, push up, push your weight back towards your heels, and drop your ears in between your arms. If that doesn't work for you so well, you can just bend your knees rather than having them straight. You could be standing and just folding over, reaching for your toes. So keep holding that down dog. We did cat, we did cow, we've done down dog. Now you're gonna walk your hands up like you did in that inchworm, stand all the way up, give yourself a big bear hug, stretch it out through your upper back. I'm so proud of everybody that showed up today. Swing those arms again, kind of like a bird, like an octopus. I cannot wait to be back with you next Tuesday, same time, same place. Maybe I'll switch it up. Maybe we'll be in my yard next week, who knows. So thankful that library asked me to be a part. Well, if I could get my words out, so grateful to be with you all today and get moving, like that bear, like that frog, like that duck. Just crawl around and get moving and have an awesome day, y'all.